Hello all, and welcome to my channel InfoSec Geeks. This is Asad Ahmed, and today video is about how to make your PC greet you every time you log into your PC. So first thing is to open your notepad. Now I'm going to demonstrate this tutorial on my virtual machine. Uh, this is my virtual machine, Windows 7. So first step is opening your notepad. Opening your notepad here. Now copy the code. Code is here. This code, you have to copy it and paste it in this text file. I have already copied it, so I'm just pasting it, right? Now the next step is saving it as welcome.vps. Let me save it. File, save as, welcome.vps. Saving it. The next step is now press Windows logo key and R to open run dialog box. Let me do it. Let's close it. Pressing Windows R. Now in run dialog box we have to type shell :startup and press enter. So shell :startup, hitting enter, and now I am inside the startup program directory of Windows, right? Now what I have to do is I have to copy the script file, that is welcome.vps we have just created, in this folder and then close it. Copying this file, welcome.vps, and closing it. Now we have to restart our computer and listen the welcoming message read by our computer for us. Let's do it. Restarting. Let me turn up the volume so you can hear. Now
Welcome to your PC Asad. I hope you are doing well.
you see, our PC just greeted us. I hope you like this video. I'll give this code, this VB script code, in the description, so you can just copy it easily and create and do what I have just done.